How to fix Instagram keeps stopping problem. So if you want to fix Instagram keeps stopping, then what you need to do is you just need to simply tap and hold on to your Instagram application. Go with the app info and first make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have the internet connection, it might be stopped. And after that, you can simply go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. Once you clear your cache, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix, then you can again go with clear storage, which will be on the left side, and then you can clear the storage. Once you've cleared your storage, you can go and log into your Instagram application again, and your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then you just need to simply go with notifications. Make sure that you've turned on the notifications and go with permissions and make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions like contacts, location, and everything. Once you've done that, now the next solution is you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store, and you need to search for Instagram. And if you have any updates regarding your Instagram application, you can simply go and update the application. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go and restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button and then go with restart. After restarting, you can go back and open up your Instagram and it will be fixed. That's how you can fix Instagram keeps stopping problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.